playful, social, and have a very loud voice. They are natives to the northeastern parts of South America, like Brazil and Venezuela. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can now take your seat. For our next volunteer, I need an adult volunteer who will stand here at the center of the bridge. Raise your hands if you want to volunteer. Okay, so we already have our adult volunteer. Again, ma'am, please watch your step. So proceed here to the center of the bridge, ma'am, and face the crowd. And kindly listen to Ate Shane's instructions. Okay, ma'am, just stand still and relax. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we have here our couple centennials name, Ding and Dong. Si centennials, they are monogamous type of birds, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. But when their partner dies, that's the only time that they will find another mating partner. They're also monomorphic, meaning both male and female share the same physical features. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can now take your seat. For our last volunteer, I need an adult volunteer with a money or a paper bill. Raise your hands if you want to volunteer. Money or a paper bill? 100, 500, or 1,000 pesos. Just bring your money. Alright, so we already have our adult volunteer. Please proceed here on stage, ma'am. Okay, just be careful lang. Left side now. So hi ma'am, good afternoon. Welcome to the show. May I ask, what is your name?
Nish.
So hi ma'am Nish, can you show your money to the crowd, ma'am? So Ma'am Niche here has a 100 peso bill. So I want you to fold your money into half, ma'am, 3 times at the same direction. That's 1, 2, last one, ma'am. Okay, so after that, ma'am, hold the tip of the money and extend your right arm like this. Like this, ma'am. Okay? Okay, so ma'am, are you ready?
Yes.
My question is, do you have an extra money?
Maybe.
Alright, that's good to hear, ma'am. So, stand still and don't make extra movements. So, eyes here, everyone, as we have here our cute and fluffy centennial, Bunny Sweet, Sunny. So, Sunny loves money. Normally in the wild, they love to pick up things and build their nest. Now, let's see what Sunny will do. Sunny flies all the way to Ma'am Niche and what's next, buddy? He picks the 100 peso bill. Bye-bye, Sunny, and bye-bye, 100 pesos. See? Easy money, right? Just wait here now, ma'am. Now, ma'am, what is your message to our birds?
I think that's very small.
Can he keep the money?
Yes.
Wow, you're very generous, ma'am. So, serious question, ma'am. Did you enjoy our show?
Yes.
So since you enjoy our show, is it okay? Can we do it again? Like another 1,000 pesos? 1,000 pesos. We accept card or GCash. Ma'am. Dili na. So I'm just kidding, ma'am. So I will help you get your money back. All you have to do is extend your right arm and open your palm. Okay, so are you ready? So I will help you get your money back. Is it 50 pesos? Is it enough? 50 pesos? Yes. So I'm just kidding, ma'am. So Sunny is a good bird. He loves seeds more than money. So Sunny, can you come out here please and return the money? So we have here Sunny. Sunny flies back all the way to Ma'am Niche and he puts the 100 peso bill back. Good job, Sunny. Now, ma'am, what is your message to your bird, Sunny? Is he a good bird?
Yes, definitely a good bird.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So after that, ma'am, since you're already here on stage, is it okay that you will be our last volunteer for our last act?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. So all you have to do, ma'am, is stand here at the front. And you will do an intermission number. You will sing or you will dance. Here, ma'am, the front, please. Sing or dance. I'm just kidding, ma'am. So stand here lang, ma'am. So all you have to do is hold one of our hula hoops. So hold it in your right hand like this, ma'am. Alright. So I see everyone as we have here our playful seniors name, Jack and Jill. Alright. So fly into the first one, and to the second one, and main to the third one. Can we do it again, Mr. Romnek? Fly to the first one, and to the second one, and main to the third one. So round of applause to our playful seniors name, Jack and Jill. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can now take your seat. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, let's wander the rainforest of Brazil. As we have here our most handsome tuca-tuca named Mr. Horn. So tuca-tucans is the largest and the best known toucan species around the world. It has a white throat and a black body that helps them camouflage in the rainforest. Now Mr. James here is a pride of fruits. He will toss it to Mr. Horn. Now let's see how good he is at catching his food. Oh, you missed it the first try. About the second try, Mr. James? Nice catch, Mr. Horn. So, tuca-tucans have a large and beautiful bill that looks heavy, but in reality, it is extremely light. It is because it is made up of protein and keratin, just like our hairs and nails. Can we do it again, Mr. James? Okay, how about the last one? Nice catch, Mr. Horn. So there are a total of 40 toucan species around the world, and one thing they have in common is their large and beautiful bill. So Mr. Horn, will you stay here with us or you want to go back inside and get some more food now? Alright, so round of applause to our most handsome tuca-tuca name, Mr. Horn. So since you're already here in Brazil, let's meet Mr. Horn's good friends, our two yellow-crowned Amazon parrots named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentors, Miss Donna and Miss Jehan. I'll hand it to them for a moment.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dustin. Again, everyone, this is our yellow-crowned Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy. Yellow-crowned Amazon parrot is the most communicative Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness.
That's right, and Mimi is a kapisan to what they hear every day.
Can you say hi? They can mimic a different sounds of animals. First is a rooster. Okay, by the rooster. It's a cat. Okay, cat.
Okay, Daddy, can you bark?
And also they can mimic a telephone ringing and a whistle. Okay, by the telephone. And the last one is whistle.
And also, Lani and Judy love to sing, but before they sing, they need to have a warm up first. Everybody, let's do the warm up.
And next is the first song. Again. Okay, before the second song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today or within this month? Okay, hi, happy birthday, and now listen carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song. Okay, better sing happy birthday.
So wow, happy birthday to all the celebrants. Thank you, Lenny and Rudy, and also to their mentors. So hi everyone, you enjoying the show so far? Alright, so since you already witnessed the skills and talents of our Flappy Birds, it's time to meet some raptors, our birds of prey. So birds of prey are big birds with pointed beaks, sharp talons, and have wide wings. Examples are hawks,